What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another Minecraft Let's Play. K-Barrow Gaming here, and today we are going to be finishing up, let's just do a farm today. We're going to make a nice little farm today just because, and we're going to keep this cow here. I'm going to think about growing some good stuff, and we have finished our nice little bridge here. Now from the last video, as you guys saw, it was a bit crappy. I'm just gonna say it. It was a bit crap. So I redid it, and I'm liking it way better. I really am. I'm really liking it more. So I'm gonna place some of these oak trees around, and I'm going to be having my own little farm area. And what is? Okay, this is a pool. All right. So I'm going to go grab some wood and start building some fences because, you know, I'm gonna need it. All right, let's grab some of this here. We're gonna grab some more acacia wood. We're gonna have an orange fence. All right, here we go. Boom. Gonna do this. Grab us some sticks. Alright, we're going to head back. We're going to have an acacia fence, but have an oak door. An oak door. It's going to be a lot better. Here, I'm going to turn it up, actually. There. Boom. Alright, here we go, guys. We're just going to, come on, maybe one down. Okay, I'm going to, let's see. Fence. Boom, 7 fence. Doors, 2. Perfect. Now we're going to have some animals in this farm, of course. So let's go on and start doing this. This isn't going to be the animal one. This is the garden one. Just the regular garden one. Where we're going to grow some good old wheat and farm ourselves up some delicious bread. And since I do in fact have enough things for what is it? I forget what it's called. No, I do not like this here. It's unfortunate. Wait a minute, I think we have more in our chest over here. Please say we do. Come on, any fence in here? Really? None? Okay, no good extra. Wait a minute, there's extra fence right here. And instead I will just place that there. Alright. Now we're going to head back on here, and we're going to place the fence. Boom! Beautiful! And we're going to, what the heck is this guy doing? No, get out of my house. No. No, you don't deserve to be in my house. Oh, there's another one of you, huh? Well, come on, let's go. Beautiful, we have destroyed them. Okay, now, Cabe's house is almost done, so we're going to send him to bed. Ah, a nice rest. Now, guys, this series, since this is episode 8, we are going to make it a bit longer. 8, 9, and 10 are going to be just a wee bit longer, maybe 20 minutes, because it's for you guys. So we're going to get some iron here. And I can tell this iron in here is finished. It's looking good. The food in here is finished. Set the food on in here. Ah, beautiful. Okay, now I'm going to make a bucket, because that's what we need. Where the heck is my iron? Okay, beautiful. We're going to do this. 1, 2. Actually, no, I want 3 buckets. I want 3. I just made a decision. Boom. Okay. Here we go. We're going to go get... Oh, wait. You know what I do need to make, though? I'm going to make a hoe. So you're going to do that. We're gonna go like that. You know what I wish was in Minecraft? I know this is a mod. Basically, you craft any tool or weapon with the wood that you use, but it turns out coming as the, it comes out looking like the wood you used, which is pretty cool. I like that. I wish that was what it did. Ah, beautiful. Okay. Now, my wonderful little growers are going to be, let us do this real quick though. 1, okay, 3, and let me put the hoe right there. Okay, now we're gonna have, what do we need to grow? Carrots, and why not sugarcane, and carrot, sugarcane, and I will grab some seeds for another thing. So let me get some sand. 3. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so the sand. 2, 3. Okay, this is gonna be nice. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Okay, now we gotta grab, oh wait. Sugarcane goes right there. Okay. There we go. It's looking nice. It's looking, the farm's looking kinda good. Okay. You know, it'd be funny if we could catch a fish in a bucket. I wonder if you can do that. I should try that. Okay. Now next is the wheat. Actually, no, we're gonna do carrots. Okay, carrots. Boom. Alright, now for the wheat. Okay, so this goes in here. Ah, the wheat thing's right there. Buckets. We're all gonna go right there. And I have 20 string. Jeez, I got a lot of good stuff. Okay, now time for the wheat. There we go. So I'm gonna go grab more seeds because we're gonna need them. Can I grab any? Boom. Alright. 1, 2, 3. A good little farm over here. This is gonna be good. I could feel it. Alright. Farm is complete. And now it's time to make the animal farm. Whoop, whoop. I'm ready. I'm ready. I don't know how we can lure the cows in yet. All I know is that we can lure pigs in because we have the stuff for that. So we're gonna have to go wait, we have bones. I think I'm gonna make bone meal, grow the wheat, and then have the cows come in. It's just easier that way. Alright. Grab some more of this. Come on. Okay, here we go. Beautiful. Alright, craft this up. Boom, 44. Alright. Now, Mr. Cows, you're going to be coming with me anytime soon. I'll be seeing you later. Alright, alright, alright. Here we go. Now, I'm going to, let us see here. Actually, I'm going to go make that real quick. Make the fence. Okay. All this fence. Okay. Make more sticks. 1, 2. What is that? A smithing table? What can you do with that? Okay, actually I want to make that. Okay, now I'm going to do the doors. And make more sticks. And then do more fence. There we go. I don't know what the smithing table does. I'm going to put that right here. This is bullcrap. I just made that for nothing. Well, at least it looks cool. So why not? Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and add on. We're going to clear out the way here. We're just going to put all kinds of animals in here. So we're going to want to make this somewhat big. So we're going to go like this. Alright. We're going to want cows and chickens in here. Cows, chickens, anything really. This is nice. This is going to be good. Now I'm going to put torches up on these posts here. Just like this. So it gives light when it's dark out. Because I do not want any monsters coming in my little area. And I'm not sure if animals actually drink anymore. Well, not anymore, but if animals drink or anything. But I'm going to go on a limb and say no. Because I'm not 100%. Okay. I'm going to get a horse soon. Because we have the stuff to do that. Okay, put that there. Now I'm going to need this. And I'm going to have seeds. The bone, I'm going to do that. And we are going to craft us up some goodies. Now let's go here and put this here. Bone in here. Boom. Gonna look nice. Oh, okay. Sweet. I'm gonna drop seeds too. I like it. Ah, come here. Okay. Boom. What a wonderful discovery. Not really. Okay. Now we are going to go get us some great beasts from across the land. Literally like 2 yards away maybe. Ah, see, look, there they are now. Oh, cows. Hello, cow. Oh, sheep. Hello, Mr. Sheep. Cow, sheep. Oh, more cows this way. Yes, follow. Follow me. Hello, cows. Are you seeing me? Good, yes. Follow. Follow me. Come on, you wonderful beasts. Let's go. Alright. You guys aren't even going to know what's going to happen to you, do you? Alright. Now, here's my idea. With the cows and everything, with every animal, if there's 3 of them, I kill 1 of them. But I'm going to be raising 4 all the time. And then there's going to be, yeah, come on in here. Okay. So it'll be feed, feed. Boom. Okay. Boom. Okay. And now I will just be able to kill 2 of them later. So that'll be good. Alright. And you guys stay cool in your little area over there. Okay. Now I'll be putting the seeds in here. And the carrots in here. I'm going to put that right there. Repopulation. Oh, I actually get that as an achievement? Oh, okay. That's nice to know. Alright, sweet. Alright. Now I keep saying alright because I don't know what else to say. What should we do now? It is almost nighttime and we have I just want to kill these little guys. Like, look at them. They just all sit here. Okay. I have an idea. And it's worth it. Actually, cobblestone's easier to get than wood, surprisingly. So we're just going to do this. And we are going to treat you. You're going to jail, monsters, for your crimes. Oh my! I do not want you all to get repopulated in there. Because when you do, you can probably hop on out of there. And this is an infinite monster spawner down here, so we're just gonna cover this up and put torches around it. So no more monsters can come over here. Okay, there we go. Look at this, a nice functioning small home. And with a lot of work done today, I think it's safe to say that we have a nice little rest. Good night, ladies and gentlemen. It is morning, and today we will be adding to our house. Now, I'm going to make a chest. Come on. 2 chests. And these are for my upstairs room up here. Boom. And I'm going to be making, since there are grown-ups in there. Alright, little guys. I'm so sorry for this, but I'm coming in. Dead. Oh, hey, get back here. It's nothing personal. Dead. Okay. Beautiful. Now I will go and cook this. But today, ladies and gentlemen, I think it's time we build ourselves a fence. Not a fence, I mean a basement. I'm actually going to make a nice little basement. And I have great ideas. Good ideas for the basement. That's where we can grow underground stuff. Or it can just be our small little coal mine. Or any kind of little mine. But let's get this going here, shall we? We are going to do one up here. Just like this. Just like that. And hop on down. And when you want to, climb up. Actually, I do not like that door being there. I want it to be like right there. Looks good. Okay. And we go down. What? Come on. Just go down the ladder. You gotta be kidding me. It wasn't that hard earlier. Okay, and now for this one. Now, we're gonna put a trap door right there. And then it's gonna go down. And then the ladder's gonna be right there. So I need to make a ladder because I do not want to get stuck down there. So we just a crap ton of sticks. Beautiful. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This will probably be underground storage and things like that. You know, why not? Well, okay, let's just do that. Beautiful. Alright, and I'll probably spend a good while cutting a lot of this out, just because. Alright, and we're going to, instead of dig up for making roofs, we're just going to have stairs. I'm just going to have stairs right there, and this will be the size of our room already. So, plus we're going to make it a bit bigger though. We don't want it gigantic, but we want it a good size. You know what I mean? So we're just going to do this, and the basement can be under construction. Plus this can be a, oh son of a gun, I just broke it. Does it have any more? It's okay, we can head back up. I need to make stairs anyway. Okay, nice. Are you serious right now? Oh, come on. Am I seriously stuck right there? That's some bullcrap. You know what this means. This calls for a good deal. Just like this. Okay. No? See, that's the problem. Okay. We're gonna have to have it just like that then. And we can always jump up here. Yeah, that's okay. I'm okay with that. Alright. Now we're gonna put this in here. Gonna make ourselves some stone steps. Okay. I don't really care how many there are gonna be. I just want some stone steps. 2, 3, and then the 4 is gonna go right there. When we do have enough, because we do have enough to make a pickaxe. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to, you can leave a comment. And As always, you guys, stay cool.